Right here we got the PETLIBRO cat water fountain in stainless steel, 2 liter. Boom. We have the USB end right here. We have the activated carbon filter right here. The PETLIBRO instruction manual. Oh, stainless steel, 304 stainless steel all around, 2 liter. Look at that pet fountain right there. So you can adjust the nozzle right there. That's how you change the adjustment. Open wide, smaller opening, close the opening. You can change the nozzle right here. Dude, that's nice. Nice ergonomic handle right here. Nice stainless steel. Look at inside right there. You have this mesh right here. You have the mesh on top. Pre-filter sponge right here. And you got the pump right here. That's the water pump. And then you have the little orange bracket right there that holds the pump in place. Sweet. And this thing has a 2 liter capacity. PETLIBRO 304 stainless steel, 2 liter pet water fountain right here. So the other end right here is obviously USB. The AC adapter. This is the USB adapter that it comes with. You plug in your USB cable, boom, and then plug this into a wall, and you got power to your water fountain. We have water here. We have the max and minimum fill line. Keep it up above the minimum and below the max fill line, okay? Close the lid. The lid just slides on like that, and then you can power it on this baby. We got water! Oh! The PETLIBRO pet water fountain. Look at that water go. That's a full blast right there. Super quiet pet water fountain right here. We can adjust the valve, and then we can change the water fountain. Yeah. Right here, we got the PETLIBRO water fountain. Super easy to set up, super easy to operate. Look at that water spout right there. That's a nice water spout right there. Nice, easy, moving water for your pet to drink water from. That's good water right there, guys. Pet water fountain right there. You can change the height of the nozzle by changing this valve right here. High water pitch, low or straight, whatever you want. You can adjust the valve right there. Adjust the setting, boom. Or this, boom. Or in between, boom. There we go. Pet water fountain for your pet. Oh, nice quiet operation. Oh, yeah. PETLIBRO pet water fountain right here. Stainless steel, 304 stainless steel right here. 2 liter capacity. Oh, yeah.